Ace Ventures is a cinematic motovlogging channel. We are a bunch of riders who decided to escape the ordinary and to explore and experience the extraordinary.
We've been riding, adventuring, camping in places far away from home.
We've rode through different roads, ventured tough terrains, experienced nature at its best, and most importantly, we've captured it all.
In Ace Ventures, we'll be sharing our experience with you guys. From time to time, place to place, in the best cinematic style possible. So buckle up and let's get started.
அதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். நீ மிச்சத்தை போடு, பார்க்காம போயிட போகிறாங்க.